first time in a couple months, we're going out to dinner. We're going up to the Harrah's here in San Diego, and we're going to...
Oh, Hell's Kitchen.
Hell's
I didn't know
Kitchen.
that was my cue. Hell's Kitchen, yes.
We're going to
excited
Hell's
about
Kitchen for dinner tonight.
Yes. For us, we are dressed up because we've
Yeah.
been doing beach and pool, so it has been swimsuits, cover-ups, flip-flops.
Yeah, for the last 2 months that we've been on this full-time journey, we really haven't gotten dressed up much for anything.
No. We are going to meet our younger son and his girlfriend and her parents at Hell's Kitchen. So they had invited us to have dinner with them there, and we're super excited.
More family, more
Yes.
friends in town. You know, it's great. The Harrah's is only about 20 miles away, and, you know, we've never been to Hell's Kitchen.
No.
So we actually just got back from Coronado Beach again.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we told you guys in an earlier video that that's our favorite beach, you know, with the planes and the helicopters and just how clean it is and everything else. So the entire family was out on Coronado today with Chris and Diane's entire family.
We had 3 pop-ups and
Yeah.
a lot of coolers and bags and
Yes.
blankets and towel. I mean, all of it. I'm sure
Yeah.
people, when we packed up, watching us. So we got down there pretty early, but when we packed up, I guarantee you people were watching us. We had it down to a science, and
Yeah.
we had a great day. It was beautiful. The weather was beautiful.
Mhm.
It was sunny and gorgeous and perfect. The kids played all day. I mean, the adults played. We relaxed. We had conversation. We had good food. Couldn't ask for a better day.
Today was one of the better beach days we've had.
Yeah, like the weather was perfect, and just having everybody there gets my mom on heartstrings. So, and we're looking forward to another great day tomorrow and just spending a lot of family time.
So we've only got about 3 more days until our kids leave, and then we won't be seeing them again until the holidays. So yeah, we're trying to just soak up every...
And as you guys know, our first month, we were only 2.5 hours away. So we got to spend time with family and kind of ease into full-time living, per se, which I think really worked for us. I highly recommend if you're super family oriented, and you know, most people are, I believe. So it'll be about 3.5 months that we go without seeing them, which, you know,
In person.
yeah, obviously we talk and
FaceTime.
do all the technology, but that'll be our longest stretch since we went full-time, and our kids are adults. It will be fine.
It'll actually be the longest stretch in our life, never seeing our kids.
That is true. That is a true story.
Yeah.
But it's all good. It's been so far a really amazing vacation, and it is, because even though we're living full time, we are in vacation mode, because this is when we take our vacation, and with our kids coming out, and we're doing the things that we used to do on vacation with the whole time they grew up, and so it is vacation mode for sure.
Completely destroyed our RV budget this month.
Oh,
and
absolutely.
we are completely cool with it.
Absolutely, it's vacation. It is.
Yeah.
The advantage is we don't need to stay in hotels and timeshares,
Right.
because we have our own place to stay at night, which is such a benefit. But we are definitely in vacation mode. I just couldn't ask to be more blessed. So, also my mom is with us, which is a blessing as
This
well.
week, yeah.
So we spent time with Kevin's parents the first 2 weeks we were here, and so we've gotten to have full circle family, and we are very blessed by that. So,
yeah, absolutely. And the funny thing is, when we leave here, when we leave Southern Cal, we're actually going up to the Salt Lake City area for 3 weeks. Her brother lives there, and his whole family. So
more family, and my mom's coming with us.
Right.
I've been trying to be very deliberate in stating how very grateful we are that we get to live this lifestyle. It's such a blessing, and I can't say that enough.
All right, well, we're almost at dinner. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Yes.
He called my dad up. My dad called him. You're miserable again.
Your leveling system legs look like this. Do you want them to look like this? And we are an RV SnapPad affiliate, so use our discount code down below for 10% off your order. We are at SeaWorld San Diego. The whole family's here. There's Chris. There's Lareka. Somewhere back there.
Look,
There's Lareka.
It'll put you where you're at. It did mine. Like
that's our oldest son, Austin.
And then if you hit like dining, restaurants.
There's Brittany, Austin's girlfriend. And there's Hayden and Kenzie. We're gonna have a fun day at SeaWorld today. Oh, how things have changed at SeaWorld since the last time we were here, probably 8-10 years ago. You can't get too close to the dolphin thing anymore. You used to be able to lean over that wall and feed the dolphins or have them come up and interact with you. Not anymore. They don't do the feeding anymore. The only way to interact is you have to pay for the interaction day. Times have changed. So it's about 10:30 in the morning on a Tuesday. We're here at SeaWorld and there's nobody here. I mean, nothing actually opens until 11, which is weird. They open the gates at 10, but the restaurants, the rides, the shows, nothing gets going until 11.
I think 2 rides are open.
2, is it?
That's what the girl was just saying. And maybe like obviously Starbucks and
Yeah.
a couple of those kind of places are open.
But we used to come here all the time with the kids. I have never seen this place like this. I guess we should enjoy it while we have it, because I'm sure it's gonna get mad busy here in a little while. I mean, to walk around, there's no rides going. It's just silent. First ride of the day, Journey to Atlantis.
We've been on it before, so we know what to expect. But SeaWorld has a lot of new rides. Here we are, we're going to the Atlantis.
Yep, SeaWorld's got this great thing. It's called an all-day dining pass. We'll put the prices down below, but you can eat every 90 minutes in about 5 different restaurants in the park, and it's great. It's 20 after 11, and we're having tri-tip.
Yeah.
And we're definitely going to try to get our money's worth out of our food pass today.
Yeah, why not, right?
I guess we spoke too soon about SeaWorld not being crowded today. Oh my, it got mobbed.
It's just not crowded when we get here early.
Yes. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and it's about as crowded as I've seen it in a long time.
Yeah.
But we're having fun.
We are.
There's about 19 of us total here between our whole family and Chris and Diane's whole family. So we're all kind of split up, and we keep breaking up into little groups and going enjoying things.
Doing our thing.
You bet. It's dinner time again. More food with the bracelets. We gotta make it worth our while.
I like to try all the different things.
Yes.
So you can eat with the bracelets every 90 minutes. And so it's not like we're sitting down and having this huge meal. A lot of times you'll taste things that you like and you'll eat that, but then the other stuff, not so great.
Right.
So it's just fun kind of tasting all the food that they offer.
Yeah, so far we've had barbecue, hamburgers, chicken tenders, And now we're going to Mexican.
Yeah,
taco place.
And from everybody else, we've talked to everybody else because everybody's kind of running around doing their thing. This seems to be what everybody likes the best. So we will see.
And it is Tuesday today, so Taco Tuesday.
That was dumb.
Milton, be careful!
What a day at SeaWorld.
It really was a fun day. I've been here in years. Big group trying to stay together is impossible, but we met up a lot. It was pretty fun.
I think I counted, there was 19 of us total.
19.
Between all the families. It was a good time.
Yeah, it was fun.
Wrapping up a little bit. Got a little sunset going on behind us. Where's the girls at?
It was great.
It's good.
Finally met up.
Yeah, it's only been since, what, 9 o'clock this morning?
Yeah, that's all right.
It was a little hot, but it was good.
When you got 19 people all together, it's kind of hard. Yeah,
I recommend getting that food bracelet, though, because we ate way more food than what we would have paid.
And we can actually go one more time.
Yeah, we can go again one more time.
One meal will cover the cost of the bracelet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's outrageous.
And we've already eaten 3 meals.
All right, we're going to go finish up.
Everybody say ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. We all scream ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream. Let's put that in the video.
Yeah, the screen goes. We are at LaHoya Cove. We're gonna go do some snorkeling and check out the sea lions. Just off to the side here, there's a huge sea lion and baby sea lion sitting out here in the sun. What little sun there is. But we're gonna have a good day with the family and have some fun in the water.
We're gonna go see what's going on out there.
Let's see what's under the water. Here we go. Sea lions everywhere out here. They just swim all up in between you. It's awesome. So much fun. So incredible. My niece's boyfriend's got a GoPro too, so we're gonna share some of the footage that way also. Had a great time here at LaHoya Cove. There are tons of seals and sea lions out there. We got to swim with them. Everybody in the family got to swim with the little sea lions. It was awesome. We had a great time.
Yep, very fun.
Now it's time for food.
Yeah, very hungry.
Tradition when we're in Carlsbad. Got to go to Pizza Port.